Hey everyone, John Viscardo, General Manager of Carcraft Magazine. We're here working on our Week to Wicked build, sponsored by Speedway Motors. I'm here with Jeff Carls. Good to see you, Jeff.
John, good to see you.
What do we got in front of us here?
We've got all of our rear end kind of laid out here, ready to go. We have our fabricated 9-inch housing. This is a Speedway manufactured part. We do offer some options for these cars that are a bolt-in situation. We modified a few things in this case, so we decided to use our fabricated housing. This is a housing that comes with no mounts on it. In nominal widths from axle flange to axle flange, you can get this rear end from 54 inches to 60 inches wide in 2-inch steps. We've chosen the 58-inch wide rear end today. That's about an eighth of an inch wider than the stock rear end in this car. Right. We've also got, this housing comes with 31 spline axles that are cut to length. They have the bearings installed, retainers, studs. They're ready to go, ready to pop in the housing.
Look pretty sturdy.
They are. They should hold up well. We also have Speedway manufactured nodular 9-inch center. This particular center's got a 389 gear, which is a little bit long-legged for a drag car, but this will see street and strip use. And the beauty of a 9-inch Ford is you pull the axles out, you can drop another center in it. So I'm sure we'll have a 456 or 430 center for this as well.
Okay. And over here?
We've got a drum brake setup. This is about as simple as it comes. They're like a factory Ford drum setup. Very low drag when there's no pressure on them, so it's ideal for something that is going to see mostly straight line action, and they'll stop the car just fine with the disc brakes that are on the front of it.
And again, in addition to durability, we're looking for ease of installation on a lot of these parts.
Correct. Yes, these are kind of ready to go. They've got a loaded backing plate. You bolt it on, put your axles in, and
go racing.
Ready to go.
Yeah. And over here we got the AFCO shocks.
We've got AFCO single adjustable shocks at all four corners. We've talked to our sister company AFCO about what we should use on this and kind of a baseline setup for this car to be able to get it to plant and launch. We also have, as a traction aid on our monoleaf spring setup in the rear, Competition Engineering slide-a-link bars, which actually take and help aid in separation and planting that rear tire and getting the instant center in the car to work. So.
Okay. And we can order all this at speedwaymotors.com.
That's correct. We have everything in stock.
But if I want something custom or unique to what I'm building, I can call you guys as well?
Yeah, we have techs on the phones during all of our phone business hours. We have a tech available both on the race and the street side that can answer any question you have and kind of guide your project.
So we got the old rear end out, and we're going to put this new one in. We'll get it together right now.
Sounds great.
Let's do it.